Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Klover's identity theft protection. Klover's identity theft protection provides a simple and effective way to protect your identity, and here's a step-by-step guide on how to use that. So first, you want to log into your Klover account. Of course, you can log in through the mobile app, or you can log in on the official website. And once you're logged into your account, you want to click on identity theft protection, and then you want to select activate protection. Once you've activated protection, you can view your identity theft protection dashboard, and here you can monitor your credit report and financial accounts for suspicious activities. Also, you can receive alerts and notifications of potential identity theft. Klover is going to help you to alert you on things like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Klover's identity theft protection. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.